I miss the days of YouTube when we just sat down and just had fun. Just for fun. Just to do makeup for fun. Let's do that. Hello, my friend. I have a classic YouTube video for you. Classic in the last time that I did this video, it was March of 2017. This is the 5-minute makeup challenge because you know what? This is the thing, is that sometimes you just don't have time. Sometimes you want to sit and you want to relax and you want to do your makeup and you want to have that peace, but sometimes you just got to get a face on and get out the door. So today is dedicated to those times. Hang tight. We are getting into that right now. This used to be all the rage in classic YouTube because it is chaotic. You don't realize how fast 5 minutes goes until you have a timer going. So I'm really excited to jump into this and see if I can get this full face on in 5 minutes. I've done it before, but will I do it today? That is the question. The products I will be using might contribute to that. So we are going to start with the Perfect Skin HD foundation from Kokie. It blends very easily. It is a beautiful foundation. We're going there. Now this may not be the best choice, but I really want to play with this more. I just bought this. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Bare With Me Concealer Serum. I've been using this over the past week or so, and I want to keep trying it. So we're going to play with that today. That may be a risk. For powder, I know this is going to be amazing. This is the Sephora Translucent Setting Powder. It is super fab, goes on very easily. What also goes on super fab is my favorite brow pencil. This is the Makeup by Mario Master Blade in Classic Brunette. Awesome brow pencil. Eye primer, we're going with the classic. We're going with the Ulta Beauty Matte Eye Primer. Very easy to go on, the easiest eye primer that I own. For eyeshadow, okay, so what I decided to do was I want to set up like a matte base and then do a shimmery-ish lid. So we're going with the ColourPop That's Taupe palette. I got this as part of the Ali Glines collab. My goal is to put 2 colors on. I want to put a lighter color and a deeper color for some definition. Not sure if I'm going to have time. We shall see. On top of that, my friend, I want to use this because I've used it once and I want to use it every day, I swear. This was just sent to me by Ciate, and I was shocked by how much I love this. This is the Marbled Metals in Eclipse. It is so, so beautiful. If you did not see when I used this before, wait till you see it. It is freaking gorgeous. Will it go on quickly? I have no idea, but we are going to find out. The other choice I had to make was eyeliner. I almost chose the Hindash Hero line, but that one can get kind of thick, especially as it's getting older. I feel like the formula is thickening up a little bit and making it a little bit harder to apply. This one is pretty much brand new. This is the Essence Lash Princess Black Waterproof one. Now, my concern about this one is it is a super fatty tip, which sometimes creates problems in application. However, the point on it on the end is very tiny, so I think I'm going to be able to rock a wing really, really quickly with that. I also want to use the Sephora Size Up Mascara. This is a fantastic lengthening and volumizing mascara. I freaking love this thing. Goes on super easy. Only need 1 coat, which is going to be key today. For my cheeks, another Makeup by Mario product. This is the Cream Blush in Soft Coral. This is so fast to go on. I just got to go boop, 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 blah, 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 and then it's going to go on. So I'm very excited to use that today. I did opt for a powder highlight though. This is from Milani. I just love this highlighter and I just really wanted to use it today. Will it be the fastest? Probably not. However, I do love it and we're gonna try it. And hopefully by the time I get here, I have time to put it on. If anything is getting skipped in my routine, if I'm running out of time, it's gonna be this. And then for lips, we're gonna do a one and done lip today with the ColourPop Fresh Kiss Lip Creme in the shade Monolith. This just goes on pigmented and creamy. I don't have to worry about it getting all over my face. I don't have to worry about it bleeding or anything. It's very easy product to use, so we're going there. And with that being said, it is time to zoom in and see if I can get this on in 5 minutes or less. Oh my gosh! All right, my friend, this is going to be super fun. I miss the days of YouTube when we just sat down and just had fun. Just for fun. Just do makeup for fun. Let's do that. 5-minute timer. Are you ready? Set. And go. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Bloop. Boop, boom, 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 boom. Sound effects are mandatory in my life. People ask me all the time, do you actually make those sound effects in real life? And you can ask people that I talk to on the regular, and the answer is absolutely yes. I do sound effects for freaking everything. This, by the way, is the Sigma, I think it's called the multitasker brush. It is freaking phenomenal. Look at that. Blended. Amazing. Way faster than a beauty blender. Beauty blenders take for freaking ever. All right, let's go in with concealer. Here we go. This is a little trickier because the coverage is a little weird on this product, but we're going to go for it. And this is a Tarte brush that I don't know if it exists anymore, but it works great for the under eye area. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, look how pretty. I love it. I love it so much. La 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 la. We're 1 minute in and we are in good shape. All right, Sephora. This is going to take a minute because this can be really messy. This brush is the Sonia G brush that I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, and I freaking love this brush. I still don't think I would want to pay full price for it, but it's pretty much the only brush I've used for face powder since I got it. It's freaking phenomenal. All right, don't make a mess as you close up the powder. Now we're gonna move on to the brows. And I always open up the wrong side first. Okay, here we go. Bloop, bloop, zoop, zoop. All right, almost done. One brow done. Second brow, go. Stat, go, go, go. Go brow, go. Oh, I missed. Go, 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 go. Brush it. All right, here we go. There we go. I should be a Foley artist. I should have been a Foley artist in a different life, I swear. All right, here we go. Because my sounds are just so accurate. I'm so talented. All right, we are 2 minutes in already. We only have 3 minutes left. Almost at the halfway mark. Let's go into this. Bam. All right, let's use a fluffier brush. We're going to go in with this guy. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I have no idea what brush this is. This is probably too big for what I'm doing, but we're going for it anyway. And I think I have time to go in and get a little more detail. Let's do this guy down here. Bloop, 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 bloop. Probably not deep enough. Bloop, 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 bloop. La, 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 la. All right. I know I'm holding it real high up because I'm trying to blend really quickly. We're not going for pretty, we're going fast. Fast and slightly pretty. All right, check out this Ciate. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Boop, 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 boop. Look how beautiful. I swear, I love this stuff so much. My gosh, I want 90,000 more of these. Exactly, maybe 90,001. Okay, I made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. We're gonna keep going. All right, 2 minutes left, 2 minutes left. Okay, what am I doing next? I'm doing eyeliner. This is the part where my hands are gonna start shaking. I know they will. There we go, bloop. Spend a little extra time getting that. All right. One side down, other side. Here we go. If I have extra time, I'm gonna go back and fix my eyeshadow. My eyeshadow's a little on the messy side. Bloop, bloop. Okay, here we go. A little more on the eyeliner. Zoop. Oh my gosh, minute and 30 left. I still have lots to do. Mascara. Boop, 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 boop. Other side. 5 minutes goes by so freaking fast. All right, I got 1 minute left. Boop, boop. Mirror, go! Stop it here! A little more. Let's do lips. We'll go back for highlight. Bloop. I'm regretting this color choice. It's a little light. Ooh, we got 43 seconds left. What do we want to do? I am doing amazing, darling. Amazing. I'm so proud of myself. I think I'm going to go back. Oh, no, I have a little bit of... This is not the way I apply highlighter, by the way. I'm just trying to go quickly. I'm trying to get it on there. I have a little bit of liner down here. I must have blinked hard. Or mascara or something. I'm going to go back in second coat of mascara because I have 20 seconds left. Oh, gosh. Bloop, bloop. And then if we have time, we're going to go back and blend a little bit more. Bloop, bloop. Let us blend. 5 seconds. 1, 2. I'm going backwards. It's so fast I'm going. That's it. We're out of time. Bam! crushed it. Crushed it. No. Did I crush it though? Did I really? Because I haven't had a chance to really look at it. I think it looks pretty good. Is it ordinary? Yes, but I think it looks really good. It's cute. If I had to go back though, if I had to go back and do more, I would add a little color in my lower lash line. I would fix, my wings are not great. They're not great. Lipstick, maybe deepen it a little bit. Maybe a tad bit. Let me turn this off. Maybe a tad bit more blush. Maybe? No, that looks good. Yeah, I mean, overall, I think I did all right. It's not so bad. Let's go ahead and zoom out. Overall, I feel like the makeup performed great. I think part of the success of doing makeup quickly is having tools that you like using for that purpose that work very quickly. I think that is key. Like, I freaking love my beauty blender, but God help me if I have to use a beauty blender and I'm trying to get out of here quickly. Ain't gonna happen. The other thing is mascara can get really messy really quickly if you have the wrong one. If you blink and it's smudging, like you're done, you're toast, it's over. I feel like those were some of like the key things happening here that helped me to be able to do this and feel like my look came out pretty good considering the time limit. So my question to you is, first of all, have you ever done the 5-minute makeup challenge, or is that just your everyday? Do you always do the 5-minute makeup challenge like every freaking day? I would love to hear your stories down in the comments down below. The other thing I would like to know is if you were doing this, if you were set up with the same products, would you have made the same choices that I made, or would you have done things slightly differently? Would you have replaced some products? Did you feel like that you have a product that maybe would have worked even faster than the one that I used? Please leave your thoughts down below, because we are the collective brain of makeup awesomeness. And we help each other not to buy crap, and we also help each other to buy efficient products. So thank you again so much for watching. Real fast video today. I hope you loved it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. It would help me out so much. And if you would like to hang out a little bit longer because you've got time, because the video was so short, YouTube should be recommending a couple of videos over here for you to watch. But if you do need to go because you're busy, you only had a couple minutes to watch a video, totally get it. Thank you for hanging out as long as you did. And mad love to you, and I will see you in a video very soon.